Hi, my name is Abdulla Mahmood Ali, and I am the grade ATB. Today I'm going to talk about science or magic. When I was younger, I was always fascinated by the magic tricks done by magicians, and I always found myself watching them, thinking of and wondering of the tricks that they do and how they did it. But when I started learning science, I was super interested in the amazing things that we can learn about ourselves and our surroundings. When I started learning science, I stopped believing in magic and started learning science and believing more in science. Science is more powerful, more logical, and it can be just as fun as the magic tricks you see on TV. I'm going to prove that today. Let us go see our first experiment. The first magic trick is the styrofoam cup trick. As you can see, I'm holding a foam cup now. What if I tell you I can make it disappear? What would you say to that? And what about that? You'll probably say it is some magic. Well, wrong. It is science. Yes, science. Let me explain it to you. In this aluminum tray, I actually poured some of this chemical called acetone. Acetone belongs to a family of chemicals called ketones, which is an organic compound with the formula C3H6O. Actually, when you place the styrofoam cup in the acetone, it doesn't actually really disappear, because it dissolves in acetone in a similar way sugar dissolves in water. So it is a physical change rather than a chemical change. Yes, it is. As all what is happening here is that foam loses its structure and collapse because this styrofoam is filled mainly with air. And acetone will push this air away. And so the structure will naturally collapse. Well, this is an irreversible physical change, as you'll never be able to get that cup back. The second trick is the floating candle trick. A floating candle on the top of water would definitely turn off if immersed in water, right? What if I tell you I can move this candle in the bottom of the water container and keep it lit? Watch that. It is deep inside the water and still lit. Magic, right? Well, no, it is science again. The science explanation is that this cylinder that looks empty is not really empty. It is filled with air molecules. The air has protected the candle from water, as it is occupying all the volume inside the cylinder. So it prevented water from entering the cylinder of the candle. And the candle remained lit. That's amazing, right? Okay, what about another trick with this candle? As you can see, I am lighting the candle now. What if I can tell you that I can let this candle turn off, then turn on by itself? Do you think this is possible? Okay, watch this then. The candle goes on and off by itself. How amazing is that? In this bag I mixed two secret ingredients, the vinegar and the baking soda. As you can see, the chemical reaction forms carbon dioxide. CO2 gas inside the bag is what is causing the candle to turn off, as carbon dioxide is known as fire extinguisher gas. We use it with fire extinguisher like this. But wait a second. What makes the candle turn on when moved out of the zip bag? Yes, it is the oxygen gas in the air. Unlike carbon dioxide, oxygen gas helps any burning to start. So thank you, oxygen gas, for existing, as without you, we will never enjoy a campfire or even a barbecue. And thank you, CO2, for existing, as we greatly use you to put down any unwanted fires. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed your time with me. Keep learning science if you are curious of understanding everything around you, because science will explain it all. Goodbye.